We have some big updates on South Carolina's fight against COVID-19. News 2's Hanna Powers listened to updates from state and federal leaders. And Hanna, they're telling us that we may finally be kind of getting an upper hand in this battle.
You're exactly right, Brendan. One of the leading authorities on COVID-19 in the country says that the University of South Carolina is a textbook example on how outbreaks should be handled. And Governor McMaster and other state health officials say they're finally planning out what the end of the pandemic looks like. State and federal leaders praising South Carolinians in unison tonight.
And I just want to really applaud everyone in South Carolina for really following these really critical common sense approaches to preventing the spread of the virus.
A face familiar to those who followed the president's daily coronavirus briefing, Dr. Deborah Birx toured the campus of University of South Carolina.
I think what was inspirational to me personally is seeing what the leadership did from March until now to really ensure that they could bring students back to campus.
Since school started, more than 1,400 positive tests. The school quarantining 12 Greek Village houses and suspending a dozen students. These punishments, combined with behind-the-scenes testing, helping USC get an edge on the spread.
We can see, since we were here 8 to 9 weeks ago meeting with the governor, real progress in people wearing masks and social distancing.
Meanwhile, Governor Henry McMaster looking to the future. He says as the world's top doctors work on a vaccine, he's working on the plan to get it in the hands of the public. He says it's going to take a village.
The vaccine plan will be a Team South Carolina effort and will involve the participation of numerous state and local agencies, healthcare providers, the National Guard, the Emergency Management Division, and everyone in between.
A tiered system expected. Frontline workers get doses first, then residents and workers in nursing homes and assisted living facilities, and finally the general public. McMaster also announced his recommendations for the second round of CARES Act spending. Recommendations including $450 million to replenish the Unemployment Trust Fund, $45 million in grants for small businesses and nonprofit organizations that did not receive federal Paycheck Protection Program loans, and also $93 million to reimburse DHEC and MUSC for their continued COVID-19 efforts. Reporting live in studio, I'm Hanna Powers. Count on 2.